Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question now. The question is given: if 3x cube plus 10x square minus 8x minus 5 equal to 0, then find the value of x. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, how to solve this? Given 3x cube plus 10x square minus 8x minus 5 equal to 0. Here you are doing the problem logically, Amma. So here, 3x cube minus 3x square plus 13x square minus 13x plus 5x minus 5 equal to 0. Here you are doing some adjustment. So here 13 minus 3 will get 10. Minus 13 plus 5 will get minus 8. Here the equation won't change. Now here you can take 3x square common, x minus 1. Here you can take 13x common, x minus 1. Here you can take 5 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. So here in all the three, x minus 1 is common. 3x square plus 13x plus 5 equal to 0. So from this you can write x minus 1 equal to 0, or 3x square plus 13x plus 5 equal to 0. So x value is 1 now. Total we want 3 values, degree 3. So here we are applying minus b plus or minus. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square 169 minus 4 into a into c by 2a 2 into 3. So x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus root of 169 minus 60 by 6. So x value is minus 13 plus or minus root 109 by 6. So here you'll get two values. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 13 plus root of 109 by 6. Another one minus 13 minus root 109 by 6. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.